The production line of the new BMW 7 Series and the i7 model starts in the welding shop. As you can see, everything happens completely automatically with the help of KUKA robots. All these shots were taken this year at the BMW factory in Dingolfing, Germany. All doors, including the hood, are attached to the car and then removed again to attach all other elements. The body of the car is now moved using a conveyor belt between individual stations. All electronics and other equipment are added one by one. This part is called marriage, and it is the connection of the chassis with the body of the car. Today, BMW kicks off production of all new 2023 7 Series at its plant in Dingolfing, Germany. The company's flagship sedan hits the production lines with both combustion and fully electric powertrains, with the versions sharing the same assembly lines. The factory in southern Bavaria is one of BMW's more than 30 production sites around the world and is currently its largest in Europe. The new 7 shares the plant with the 4 Series, 5 Series, 6 Series, 7 Series, 8 Series and AX. The annual output of the factory is close to 250,000 units. To prepare the Dingolfing plant for the start of production of the 7 Series and i7, BMW invested more than 300 million euros. For the first time, the production process of the luxury sedan involves automated maneuvers within the production environment by just assembled 7 Series vehicles. After delivering the very first examples used as test vehicles by dealerships, BMW will begin delivering customer cars in the winter of this year. By the middle of the decade, BMW estimates half of the vehicles it will build in Dingolfing will be electric. Speaking of which, the large zero-emissions SUV entered production at the factory exactly a year ago, and the 7 Series uses some product and process modules that were initially developed for the iX. BMW used production shutdowns at the plant to convert the production lines previously responsible for the older generation 7 Series to manufacture its successor. The Bavarian automaker decided against building brand new structures and instead optimized the existing ones, saving millions of dollars in the process. However, a special process has been established for the two-tone paint of the new 7 Series, combining standard techniques from series production with manual painting from Dingolfing specialists. The firm is also especially proud that it assembles the i7 electric drive components in-house at Dingolfing. Some of these components include the battery and the integrated electric drive system, which are all manufactured nearby the Dingolfing plant at BMW's Competence Center for e-drive production. Currently, the facility can produce components for more than 500,000 electric cars per year. Interestingly, the Dingolfing plant in Bavaria has been producing the 7 Series since 1977, although it has produced over 11 million BMW Group vehicles since work began. This year, the production schedule is set to include manufacturing of the 2 millionth 7 Series. As a refresher, the new 7 Series will be available in a number of trim levels, including the 740i that comes with a 540nm 3.0-liter turbo petrol inline 6, as well as xDrive 60 fully electric model. The i7 xDrive 60 develops 400 kW and 745 nanometers, offering a range of 600 kilometers. A bit later down the track there will be plug-in hybrid models, and the range-topping i7 M660e xDrive developing 420 kW and 800 nanometers. There's also been mention of an i7 M60 that produces well over 450 kW and 1000 nanometers. Aside from interesting and powerful new engines, the interior debuts a massive 31.3-inch panoramic 8K display screen option for rear seat passengers, called BMW Theater Screen. It's able to stream things like Amazon Prime. Unique 5.5-inch touchscreens on the rear door handles are also an offer, and of course reclining rear seats.